Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Mermaid gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Glitch and Glam, as well as Lo-Fi Lavvender, 8-Bit Blues, and Bonus Life. Then for the stamping on top of that, I'm going to be using Work Bestie, Indigo Away, Shady Navy, and Bring Me the Teal. I'm not going to be using a base color today, but I am going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. Once I have my latex applied, I'm going to go ahead and grab my sponge. It's about the same length as my nail, and I'm going to go ahead and apply all 4 colors, overlapping slightly on the sponge, and then dabbing onto my nails. I went ahead and removed the latex after the final level of gradient because otherwise that does get pretty crusty as the polish dries. You can optionally leave it on for the stamping or apply a new layer of protection for the stamping. I'm just going to go in without protection and hope that we don't have too much overstamping. I'm going to be using the What's Up Nails plate B038, and I'm going to be using this mermaid pattern here. I'm going to apply the colors slightly overlapping and then scrape it into a gradient and apply onto my nail. once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I've been wanting to use these colors for a mermaid gradient ever since I got the Pixel Perfect collection, and I had a couple different thoughts of how I wanted to handle the scale stamping, but I really have to give credit to chat for convincing me to go with this combination of creams. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can really appreciate that holo glitter. And if you'd like to see that extended tutorial, it's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.